If your Ford displays the front camera malfunction, service required warning, it means the vehicle's front camera system is not functioning correctly. This camera is usually mounted near the rear view mirror on the windshield and supports advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, pre-collision assist, and traffic sign recognition. When the system detects a fault or obstruction, it disables these safety features to prevent incorrect warnings. Try these. 1. Clean the camera area. Check the windshield area in front of the camera and remove dirt, snow, condensation, or stickers that may block the lens. 2. Restart the vehicle. Turn the engine off, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then restart the vehicle to reset temporary software glitches. 3. Check the windshield condition. Cracks, tint film, or improper windshield replacement can block or misalign the camera. 4. Inspect the battery and electrical system. Low battery voltage or weak connections can trigger camera system warnings. 5. Drive the vehicle for recalibration. Drive above 20 to 30 miles per hour for several minutes so the system can recalibrate the camera sensors.